Today we're gonna take what could be party, but we're gonna peel it back into sophistication.
With a little foam.
I like foam.
It's good.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Ian, Dan, and Derek are gonna show you how to make a tequila sour.
What?
That's cool.
With an egg white.
With an egg white, yeah.
You have to. When you do a sour,
Otherwise it's just a margarita.
you have to do an egg white.
Right. Because Dan said so.
Exactly.
So the recipe is going to be 1.5 ounces of reposado tequila, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, a 1/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, 3/4 ounce of agave nectar, 3 dashes of Corazon Bitters, or your favorite bitter, 1 egg white, and a lemon zest garnish, which we're going to opt not to because Derek didn't bind up lemons to have zests that would work. That is a problem.
He forgot to get them at the grocery store.
Right. So what we're going to use is
In his defense, he only had a week, so.
Yeah. Oh, he was on vacation, right?
I was on
Right.
vacation.
Oh.
Last week, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't have
that
a
was,
chance.
that was
That's
tough.
why I've got this tan.
Oh.
Now I'm like you.
And then you were walking around the grocery store and you're like, what do I need?
Yeah, and I bought
A lot of limes.
some limes, yeah.
Well, we will need
I bought some mints because we're going to need it later. So, we're using reposado from Alma de Agave, so you guys should go to almadeagave.com, check out their story. I have parts of their story. If you've been watching the whole month of tequila, you'll see that they've been partnering with us for the entire month. This specific recipe is kind of like a play on the tequila, a sour in general with tequila, but I often say that a margarita is basically your tequila sour. But this is probably a sour. This is probably more traditional speaking a tequila sour if you pretended the margarita didn't exist. Because as you might have, you'll see throughout the entire series, the margarita is the last video we're doing. Because that is what everybody thinks of when they think of tequila, is a margarita.
But that's what it seems like, though. Tequila seem to just...
It's a margarita.
Riff off of other cocktails.
Right, and most of the general public just sees margarita. Margarita, more margarita. So I wanted
Or
to
you just drink it straight.
Right.
Like this.
Tequila shots or margarita. Yeah, we need a glass so you could drink that straight.
I do. So how long is this aged for?
That is a long time. That's
49 months?
49 months.
49 months.
Here's another, is this clean? Yeah. Pour some in there.
I'll pour some in there.
Have a finger of that.
All right. Well, he's making a drink.
Yeah.
I'll drink a drink.
You got to start with something.
Exactly.
Yeah, so that is an extra añejo. If you've watched our video, let me see if my finger's correctly. If you watch our video on 7 tequila facts, one of the facts is that there's 5 categories of tequila. 4 of them are represented here. One of them isn't because it's a 51% tequila that's not what I'd call a real tequila. It's the crap stuff that you can get for $7.99.
Ooh.
That's not $7.99. That's aged.
That is not.
Oh, duh.
So that is super smooth, a little smoky.
Yeah. You've got a piña. You've got the agave that takes 8 years to mature. You've got 49 months in a barrel. You've got...
I told you to keep it over there.
I'm like, what are you trying to do? Like, double strain. Double strain. So this specific recipe, since I didn't get into the specifics, is you're going to add all the components with ice into a shaker. There's a video on how to shake. And from there, you start with your dry shake, right? The dry, that's all messy now. The beauty of a dry shake, in especially this cocktail, is to get the foam emulsification. So you're taking that egg white and you're building a crazy foam, which is going to give you that white looking feel. You have any ice in there?
No, it didn't say put ice in there.
Yeah.
That's okay.
You don't put an ice in a sour?
It's a double strain.
It depends.
Yeah,
If you put it in a coupe, you don't put ice in it.
Add ice
Sometimes there's one.
Seconds. Double strain into rocks glass and add 3 dots of bitters and foamy head. Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you don't have
You're
to.
making a mess.
Yeah, but that's how these drinks typically go.
Yeah.
They can get messy. You'll see it starts to turn kind of like that, yellowish color with the nice white.
Yeah.
Nice white foam.
Got a good head on that one.
A little separation.
Gotta get that.
Almost.
Yeah, the dasher from the Corazon Bitters, it's not easy to make patterns or things out of, but it works. That right there is your tequila sour. It's more mature. It's a little bit cooler than a margarita, which is what everybody thinks of.
Did you try that?
I have before, yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Dude, those Corazon Bitters, kill it on the top. Like, you get that
aroma.
Oh,
This drink's
holy
good. The
crap.
foam in this drink's good. I know that.
Did I drink the bitters?
I don't think you did. It's good, huh?
Almost
It's
like
really
a
good.
cinnamon note to it or something.
It's the bitters. Well, you
that
get
what
this.
it is?
You get this. The
Is
aroma
it
of the
coming from
bitters
the
on the
aroma?
top. No, but you can
A little
taste it.
spiciness from the bitters too. That's weird that the bitters are making that big of a impact on the foam. I guess the foam's going in your mouth, so you're getting.
Well, you're
some-
smelling it.
Well, there's bitters in the drink also.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, whoops.
No, you did it the way I would do it.
I fucked it up because I threw 3 dashes of Corazon Bitters.
Into the drink.
In the drink.
Which
Oh, wait.
what?
This is confusing because it says 3 dashes of Corazon Bitters in the recipe.
Yeah.
And then it says
Put
I-
3 on the top.
put 3 on the top.
Yeah, but I would rather do it what you just did.
Yeah, I like
3
it.
inside.
Oh, it had all butt bitters.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but that's
And
bad.
he was like, "What kind of bitters are butt bitters?" Like that's gross.
And why would you want to put all of the butt bitters?
Yeah, why do you want to put all the butt bitters in?
I mean, what kind of
No,
bar
it-
makes this?
that-
I got
that's-
an idea, but
That's better
If you're
now.
butt bitters, why would you only want partial?
I know. I guess
Gotta
you're gonna
go
put all the
way.
butt bitters in. It's really good though with the bitters.
I
yeah,
like it with
those are
bitters.
some big butt bitters.
Big butt bitters?
No, it's
Are
got
your
that.
big butt bitters better than?
It's got that like little
Butter
moldy
bitter?
flavor, like that cacao or whatever.
Corazon bitters are good.
Yeah, that's a good bitter.
It's a good drink.
It's good.
I may have fucked it up. I like it.
No, I'm gonna make sure that when I put it into the cocktail database at recipe.awesomedrinks.com, that it will have the way you did it because I did it.
It's really good. It's smooth.
This is a recipe that I pulled because I was gonna do the craft cocktail series for tequila, and then I said, you know what, was working with Tiki Month. Why don't we do that with tequila? So instead, I did like a build-up process where each of these recipes is actually getting a little bit more complex as we go until we get the margarita because I put that at the end symbolically.
But margaritas are always good.
Right, but we haven't done it for a long time. But I also wanted to showcase other stuff because tequila can do so much other stuff. The only thing that's missing from this month is the Paloma, and we did that like 2 months ago.
And Palomas are.
I think we did like a
fantastic.
couple months ago.
Yeah.
Paloma's like a gin and tonic.
Yeah.
It's easy, refreshing, summertime drink.
Right, and you could screw those up all day long, and they always are fine. You
Yeah.
just a squirt or whatever, and
Yeah.
a Fresca, whatever, and you got yourself tequila. You're good. This is a little bit more complicated. Ice or no ice, I don't think it's not going to really make a huge big difference. It's just it might break the
It's
surface.
already
of the,
chilled. That's also.
Yeah, so
That-
the drink is not lasting long enough. for
Again,
ice
it
before-
might be.
When it comes to
Different
a
with the-
flip, I kind of like not putting the ice because I like that unbroken head
right
on top.
the perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. And typically when we do these, we usually do them in coupe glasses, but this volume was bigger. You might be able to fit it in one of the big coupe glasses, but
You can put one big cube in.
yeah, do whatever you want as long as you do the recipe the way he did it, and you use yourself some Alma tequila.
I think you should try it with the anejo.
Yeah.
Because I think it might make it a little bit richer.
Maybe. Yeah.
It's got the nice dry flavor,
sure
a little
each-
cinnamon.
You could probably make
Tequila.
it with each tequila and have a different experience.
Lime.
Obviously.
Definitely.
This is better than a margarita. Like it's got, I mean, it feels like a different mood.
It's definitely a different mood than a margarita.
But yet
if
at
you're
the
sitting
same
out on the
time-
porch, I mean, it's like a whiskey sour. Like if you're sitting
Yeah.
out on a porch, like during the day, you want a margarita.
Yeah.
If you're, and then now it's
You gotta calm
evening
down.
and you're still sitting there. You, gotta calm down.
You haven't moved yet.
You haven't really moved, but you
And
drank
you
a
have someone
lot.
else making drinks for you.
Yeah,
You're
because
gonna have
I'm writing
this.
a lot more.
We're definitely gonna try that tomorrow.
Yeah.
See,
yeah,
and then
the
you
recipe.
move right into here. You know, now you go from party to sophisticated adult.
That's messed up. I'm not sure I'm enjoying the whole sophisticated adult concept, but
Well, your pants aren't on still.
Oh, okay,
I
that's
mean, those came off at like 11 when you started.
you get a suntan all over your
Yeah.
crotch.
Tell you what, I'm at 11 right now.
It's a good thing that apron's there.
Anyway, so what you guys want to do?
It's like a wall of shame.
Cow on it though.
You want to go? You want to check out?
I
all-
look down. Fucking Christ.
Do you need a towel?
No,
Here, take
get
a
out of here.
It's right there. It's easy for you to reach.
No, it's not. I'm not doing it. Go
I'm
check
not
out.
doing
Speaking of penis jokes, check out Alma Tequila. It's
not a joke.
You could. You know what you could do? You could search for buy Alma Tequila. I did that.
Oh, there
On
you
Oh,
Google,
and there's no such
and it's
thing as
just-
butt bitters, so don't look for those.
Oh yeah, that's not a thing.
Yeah.
You
go.
can,
Corazon means heart in Spanish, not butt.
Yeah.
right. So these you can get at Awesome Drinks. Those you can
Culo.
search for the best store to buy them at.
Good on.
Butt bitters you
Bitters.
can't get at all. I wouldn't
Culo
Google
bitters.
that. As a just a good joke.
Yes.
Coupon code is Cinco18 if you want to save 18% off awesomedrinks.com when you want to go buy those specific bitters so that you can build this drink. So you go out, you buy yourself some Alma. You go out, you buy yourself some Corazon Bitters from monsterdrinks.com. Agave nectar, we do sell that, but you can probably get that anywhere. Make this drink and taste along with us.
You should.
You don't have to use the word butt bitters all the time like we did.
No.
But you
it's
can always
fun.
build it and then taste along. It's like a challenge. It's like a game.
Yeah.
Go do it. Now, there's a sidebar that just popped up on the side. Hence the word sidebar. Tequila cocktails are in there. You should start watching them all and educate yourself. It's not just about a margarita, my friends. What you should drink.